Good morning, everybody. I am at Walmart and I am excited to share with you guys some deals. I'm hoping to get some great deals with a lot of the clearance items, with a lot of like the personal, or not the household products. So I'm excited to see what my store has left. But yeah, so I don't know what I have for a weekend warrior yet because it is still early. It doesn't pop up until 8 o'clock my time. I got like 10 minutes left. But we're gonna go in the store, have some fun shopping, save some money. I did get approved for the Nestle deal. I ended up getting a $20 gift card, which I ended up just getting an Amazon gift card. Like, I used that to buy an Amazon gift card. I have not heard back from DesignerJen. I'm thinking of maybe resubmitting my receipt because I never got a confirmation or anything. But a lot of you guys said you only got $10, so I don't know, but I'm happy with keeping the Visa over the Fanatics gift cards. So that, I don't know when those deals end, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up with that. But I'm still waiting for DesignerJen, but I just haven't gotten an email at all. I didn't get an email when I got a confirmation. I didn't get anything. So I don't know. I've been checking my junk email, but just haven't received anything. But let's go inside and have some fun. So here we have the Colgate 2-in-1 whitening. So this is $3.40. You're gonna buy 3 of them, but you will pay $10.20. But then we have a Shoppium rebate for 5 off of 3. This is up to your discretion if you want to do the Shoppium. And then we also have a 5 off of 3 Ibotta rebate, making these just 20 cents or like 7 cents each. But my store, I'm gonna get one of these for $3.40. Then my store has these Batman toothbrushes for $4.25, and then they have a Batman toothpaste for $2.75. So for all 3 of these items, I am going to pay $9.40. I'll get $10 back with both apps, making this a 60-cent moneymaker. We're going to a birthday party this week, and the parents love when you can not get them toy-related stuff, and the boys love Batman stuff. So yes, I will be getting them a Batman toothbrush and toothpaste. So here we have the Olay Night Cream for $7.94. You're gonna buy 2 of them and you would pay $15.88. I did scan this product at home. My store is locked up, but you will get a 10 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $5.88 or $2.94 each. I've been currently using this before I go to sleep, so great deal. I have to see if somebody wants to unlock it for me, otherwise I will just get it another time. So my store has their stuff all over the place, but we have these Airwicks for $4.25. Now, you can buy 2 of them and you will pay $8.50, but we currently have an Ibotta rebate where you get $7 off of 2. So that comes out to be just $1.50 or 75 cents. Now there is a Shoppium deal. I didn't scan the Shoppium one, but there is a Shoppium deal where you guys can scan it, and it's up to your discretion if you want to do this. Now it's not going to work, but you can get $7 off of 2 back with the Shoppium app. This ends up becoming a $5.50 moneymaker if you guys go ahead and do that. So here we have the Essential Apple Medley for $8.50. You guys would pay $8.50, but we do have an Ibotta rebate for $6 back, making that just $2.50. We also have these sprays. There's the Fig and Plum. We have the Apple Cider for $2.25. Then you're going to end up using the $2.30 Ibotta rebate. It is a limited one, so this ends up becoming a 5-cent moneymaker. And we have the small spaces for just $3, and there is a $2.30 Ibotta rebate, making that just 70 cents. So make sure you guys are checking out all your rebates so you can get some of these scent things super cheap. Otherwise, you can also get the Swiffer Duster Kit for $5.44, and there is a $3 Ibotta rebate for this, making this just $2.44. You could also do the Swiffer wet cloths, the one that's a lavender one, or the heavy duty one. These are $5.44. I did scan the regular ones for $5.44 and those are not working, but there is a $2 Ibotta rebate for this, making this just $3.44. I use these at my house, so I definitely wanted to stock up on some of those pads. So here we have the Pedialyte freezer pops for $4.98. You're going to pay $4.98 for it, but we currently have a $3 Ibotta rebate. Then again, up to your discretion, you can submit your receipt for Shopkicks for $2 back, making this free and a 2-cent moneymaker. I am not doing this deal, but if you guys need some pull-up diapers, you can get them for $9.97. We currently have a Shopkick deal where you get 660 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $6.64. This just ends up coming to be just $3.33 if you need a pack of pull-up diapers. Here we have the Pure Kick. We have, it looks like blueberry, or it says Concord grape for $3.78, and then we have the watermelon strawberry for $3.78. There's currently a Shopkick rebate for 870 kicks for purchasing this and scanning the product, which is $3.48 for that one, and then there is $3.48 for that one. But then when you purchase 2 of them, you end up receiving a 100 point bonus, which is 40 cents. So altogether, if you buy these individually, they come out to be just 30 cents each. But if you buy them together and do that bonus, they end up becoming just 20 cents. That's 10 cents each, which is a great deal. So here is an easy freebie. We got the Stir electrolytes. We got the watermelon, the fruit punch, or the strawberry lemonade. My store has them all sitting right there. But they're $3.28. You would pay $3.28, but then you get an Ibotta rebate for $3.28 back, making this for free. So here we have the Skinny Girl dressing for $2.38. You're gonna buy 2 of them and pay $4.76. But we currently have a Swag Bucks deal where you get $4 back when you purchase the 2, making them just lost my spot, making them just 76 cents or 38 cents each. So I'm doing the Lean Cuisine deal, just getting 1 of them because I just need 1 more to get the bonus. So I'm gonna get one of the meals that is $2.94. I'm getting the chicken Alfredo, whatever. There is currently a $2 Shopkick deal where you get $1 back with Shopkick. There's a bunch of different ones to choose from. Then you get 50 cents back with Ibotta, and then since I just need 1 more, I will be getting my $1 bonus. For me, this ends up becoming just 44 cents. So 44 cents for a frozen meal, I will take it. Hello everybody, I am back from Walmart. Yes. So my store has a lot of clearance on the personal care products like deodorant and body wash, and then they have a lot of clearance on like the household products like Febreze and Airwick and everything. But it is so messed around, like it is crazy. Like it's just all messed up. I had to like price check everything, but I was excited to get some of the deals that I was gonna get. So I ended up getting everything that I shared with you guys except the pull-ups. I just decided I don't need pull-ups. My daughter's potty trained, and to me, I mean, it's a great deal. I would totally get it if I needed diapers, but diapers take up a lot of space. But yeah, so my total came to $81.93 for everything. I ended up getting $44.38 back with Ibotta. I ended up getting a Weekend Warrior where I needed 18 rebates to get the $5 reward, and then there was another bonus that popped up. It was a tailgates and touchdown where I needed 48 rebates in 2 weeks to get 10 bucks. So I'm not going to hit this unless I get super close. I have like 3 weeks to do this deal, give or take. But we'll see if we get that. But otherwise, I don't plan on really pushing that. But yeah, $44.38 for my Ibotta. I did submit my receipt to Swagbucks and I got $4.05. Now they do have it. If you scroll down, they have it if you buy certain brands, you get like 5 points, which is 5 cents. So I'm just saying, if you guys buy certain brands, you can check those off too with Swagbucks. A Shopkick, I ended up getting 2,105 points, which is $8.42. Fetch Rewards, I scanned my receipt, I got 25 points, which is 2 cents. 2 cents. Thank you, Fetch Rewards. Shopee, I did receive $14 for submitting my receipt. And then I did receive the $1 bonus for the lean cuisine. So I ended up getting all that. So from $81.93, I got it all down to $10.06 for everything. So I'm pretty excited for that. I always like getting the Airwick stuff. The Colgate stuff, I'm giving away some of those to a birthday party we're going to this weekend. And then the Swiffer stuff, I actually use a lot of that stuff when I mop my floors. So we're actually going to be possibly getting rid of all of our carpet, and we're going to go with having all hardwood floors in our living room, because our carpet's the cheapest carpet they built when they built our house. So yeah, but that was it. But otherwise, my Walmart had a ton of clearance. Like, their clearance was actually full, and they had some reasonable prices, but nothing that I needed. I'm trying to, again, cut back on stuff, especially like clearance prices. Like, I love getting certain stuff, but this year, like, you guys know me, I always buy a lot of stuff on clearance, which there's nothing wrong with that, but I'm just trying to hold back on a lot of stuff. And you know, and I gotta get rid of stuff before I get more stuff. So but yeah, so that was everything that I got, but it was an easy freebie for that Stir product. And then the Airwick is a pretty good deal too, so make sure you guys check that out. But if you guys enjoyed this Walmart haul, make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up. I will see you guys next week for another Walmart, Ibotta, tons of apps haul, and you guys have a great day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love it. I am super close from hitting 60,000. 60,000 subscribers. That would be awesome. But again, hit that subscribe button if you guys can. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.